Hi, I'm Juli Jorgensen from Barrett Sotheby's International Realty, and we're here today at the dynamic Munroe Center for the Arts.
And I'm Cristina Burwell, Executive Director at the Munroe Center for the Arts.
And we're going to talk today about how the Munroe Center plays a pivotal role in the arts community in Lexington. But first, Cristina, I wanted to ask you, why do you think the arts are important and why should people study them?
Well, I think there are those of us around who are driven to create and to perform, and to be able to study in the arts allows us to develop our skills. It's about creating friendships and developing your self-esteem, flexing your creative muscle. I was reading that over 70% of employers will say that creativity is an important consideration when hiring a new employee. So that's a side benefit of what we do here as well.
That's an important study, I think, and the Arts Center is a hub for creativity. This seems like such a magical place, and I come in here and I see that friendships are being formed and collaborations are being built, and it's really grown over time, hasn't it?
It has. In the past 30 years, including those things, we have 5 schools in the arts. We have dance and theater, music and performing arts, and visual arts. We have space for 10 studio artists to have their working studios. And we have this gallery,
which is absolutely fabulous. I just love the artwork on the walls. And there's music flowing through the hallways, and I see people taking classes. I see the children in the ballet class. It's such a lively place.
Well, as I mentioned, we have a variety of arts disciplines. With dance, we have tap, jazz, modern dance, ballet. Music is anything from voice to cello and piano. The visual arts includes traditional things like painting and drawing and ceramics, and then they're constantly introducing new things such as photojournalism, silkscreening happening this fall.
So you're a community arts center. How else are you involved in the community?
Lots of different ways. One of the most popular ways is our program called Munroe Saturday Nights, which is a free performing arts series that happens monthly in Lexington.
And Lexington does have a number of community events just like that throughout the year. That's one of the many reasons why Lexington is a wonderful place to live. And how can people find out more about what's happening?
Well, we're right here in the center. You can find us the first traffic light east of the center, and you can find all of our offerings online at munroecenter.org.
Thank you so much for having us here today, Cristina. And you can find Barrett Sotheby's International Realty at 1688 Massachusetts Avenue in Lexington, or you can check us out on our website at barrettsir.com.
Cheers.
Cheers.